upon a time, in a peaceful orchard, lived a bright red apple named Apu. Apu was the juiciest, roundest, and most full of himself apple on the tree. He would brag to the other apples every day. Look at me, I'm the apple of everyone's eye. I bet I'll be picked first. The other apples just roll their stems. One day, a little boy came to the orchard with a basket. Apu immediately started posing, stretching his leaf like it was a celebrity hat. I'm ready for my close-up, he whispered, flexing his shiny side toward the sun. But the boy walked right past him and picked a green apple named Chifu. Apu gasped, what? A green apple? He's not even ripe. He still squeaks when he talks. Chifu waved shyly. Sorry, Apu, I guess I'm just tower-tastic. Apu was so embarrassed, he tried to fall off the tree himself, but instead he just wobbled and got stuck upside down on his branch. Now the other apples laughed. Who's the top apple now, huh? Apu blushed bright red, though he was already red to begin with. But don't worry, a few days later, Apu finally got picked by a grandma who turned him into a delicious apple pie.